Bulgogi Cheesesteak.
The Philly cheesesteak has a spicy Asian topping.
You're like, okay, this is different, but it's something that you keep coming back for.
Philly cheesesteak, but with bulgogi beef.
Yes.
We'll make it a marinade, soy sauce, garlic,
Sesame oil.
green onions, sugar, water, pineapple juice.
The enzymes inside of that are just awesome for marinating.
Add onions to the ribeye beef.
How long is this gonna marinate?
For 72 hours.
We're gonna make sriracha queso.
White American cheese,
Okay, half and half?
sriracha.
Melted.
And this is our yummy chili sauce. Gochujang chili paste, white vinegar, some sugar, sesame oil, and then we're gonna mix that all together.
All right, what are we doing?
The cucumber kimchi.
Kimchi is with cabbage typically, but we're gonna use cucumber in this one.
We're not big rule followers.
Didn't think so.
Vinegar, sauce,
The chili sauce that we made,
chili flakes,
a little more sugar. Onions and cucumbers together.
pour out the mix.
How do you get Carson's attention?
Poke.
I can hear, and my wife still pokes me.
Well, that's selective hearing.
That is what that is.
Let it ferment
Ferment, how long?
24 hours.
Okay, so a day.
We're going to plate the bulgogi cheesesteak.
Sriracha queso.
Chopped green onions, chopped red onions.
Kimchi? What does this body language say to you?
You wanna eat another bite?
The meat is so tender. The cucumber kimchi is refreshing, just enough cheese sauce to where it's not heavy and weighted down. Packed with flavor. Delicious.
It's juicy, it's tender. The queso on the Philly is fantastic.
You get a perfect balance of sweet, spicy.
Dude, that's incredible.
Down here at the pub, they scratch make everything.
Well, that's the best part about here.
They make all their pastrami in-house. They cure it all here.
Pastrami with slaw.
Call my mommy, it's time for pastrami.
So we're gonna do a brine for our pastrami.
Okay, so we're gonna go water in.
Sugar, salt,
Okay.
garlic. We got our pickling spice here.
This is the house pickling spice.
Yep.
And last but not least,
Pink salt here.
brings out that nice ruby red color that we like. Okay,
We gotta dissolve all the sugar and all the salt.
and then drop the brisket. Word. Mixture's cooled. It looks like tea. Look at that. How long are we gonna brine it?
4 days.
Okay.
All right, so we got our rub here. We got ground coriander, some fresh cracked black pepper,
Nice Vanna white pour, by the way.
lovely brown sugar,
You see where he popped and posed?
a granulated garlic,
Make it rain up in here.
granulated onion. Got some smoked paprika,
Okay.
dry mustard, and we got a little kosher salt. So we're gonna mix this up.
It's like you're looking for a ring or something. Nothing in there, son.
All right, we're good.
Okay.
So we're gonna rub these things down. There we go, let's dry that thing down. All right, perfect.
Now, are we gonna let this sit with the dry rub for a little bit, or is it just gonna go right to the
It's gonna
smoker?
go right to the smoker.
Hickory note, 11 hours.
Yep.
2 1/4. Then I eat it all. Now we're getting into this.
Yep.
Oh, that doesn't look terrible.
So we're gonna slice away.
Oh, the pastrami bark on that is out of bounds. What are we gonna do with this besides just throw it at my mouth? Right amount of smoke. I mean, that is legit.
So we're gonna make our pastrami sandwich. We got our marble rye down, some baby Swiss. So baby it up. Melt the cheese. Steam this pastrami a little bit. Cheese is good.
Sure.
Yep. So we're gonna add our baby colored kimchi, and we got our chili mayo.
Fantastic, man. That is not for the faint of heart. Everybody's playing nice with each other. And then all of a sudden, someone invited the kimchi. It's kicking and screaming inside that sandwich right now. Pastrami's trying to hold on to its starting quarterback position. You wanna have a food fight in your mouth? Order that thing. Nicely done.
Probably one of the best sandwiches I've eaten in my life.
It's like pastrami gone wild. I think I should buy a DVD box set of that pastrami.
Korean fried chicken tacos.
So what are we gonna make today?
Tongdak fried chicken tacos. Tongdak means Korean fried chicken. We're gonna make vinaigrette to start with, soy sauce, our white vinegar, sugar, Korean chili flakes, pure sesame oil.
And this is the salad that goes on the taco.
Yes, sir. And then we also add onions, cilantro.
Next step?
So we're gonna make the marinade for the chicken tenders. The tenders tend to
Be more tender.
We'll add our buttermilk, salt, pepper mix,
Let these marinate overnight, and then what are we gonna batter them in?
all-purpose flour, rice flour.
For the crunchification.
Right. cornstarch, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper mix.
Let's fry some chicken.
All right. Here's our warm tortillas, tongdak fried chicken, chipotle aioli, soy sesame salad on top, jack cheese.
Not Mexican or Korean, we're American because we just put cheese on the taco.
That's what the people want.
Great crunch from the chicken. It's delicious.
Korean fried chicken is ready.
When you bite into it, it's got that Korean flavor, and it has a little bit of a spice.
Chicken biscuit.
I like the chicken biscuit. That's my favorite.
Biscuit time.
So we're gonna start with AP flour, sugar, baking powder, salt. Mix the dry ingredients, add the butter, buttermilk. Okay.
Are we just pinching them off on the side like this?
Absolutely. Oven, 350, about 30 minutes. We brush them at the very end with melted butter.
Okay, what are we making next?
Red pepper jelly, roasted red peppers, sugar.
Whoa, ho, ho!
Apple cider vinegar, then some butter, and then we're gonna bring this to a boil. We slowly add in the pectin.
Let it cool? All right, what are we making now?
Our sweet tea brine for our fried chicken. It's gonna start off with sugar, salt, and then we're gonna pour some hot water in, garlic, black pepper, lemons.
Squeezing them?
Just lightly.
This brine goes for how long?
2 days.
Wow.
Bay leaves, parsley, and iced tea. Now we put our chicken into the brine.
Then what are we gonna batter this in?
Our day-old pancake batter.
I dig it.
So we dredge in the pancake first, then in a flour dredge.
Let that chicken cook too.
Low
Get
and
nice.
slow.
Yeah, see, I like that.
Here's our biscuit, the red pepper jelly. And this is our chicken. A little bit of parsley for garnish.
Nothing wrong with that.
Oh, that's a good bite.
Biscuit's spot on, but boy, the crunch on that chicken, that batter, really tasty. Little jelly's beautiful. I love the refined simplicity.
Thank you.
Go cash the window.
So tasty, it's so tender, it's amazing.
Chef, what are we into?
Pastrami.
Oh, I am embodied by pastrami.
Love pastrami.
How we doing it, Chef?
All right, we're making the brine, water, salt, sugar,
Okay.
definitely pink salt, garlic, cloves, peppercorns, coriander seed, crushed red chili flakes, bay leaf.
What is this thing, the Injector 9000?
It is.
Have you had your flu shot?
Yes, sir.
Lucky.
Thank you for your concern.
Ah, I'm here.
We're gonna put that in there like that. Taking half of the brisket here,
Let me see you work your wicked needle.
so like this. There we go.
Now we're gonna pour the rest over it.
Yep.
And it's gonna go 10 days.
Yeah.
After the 10 days, bring it out, and then we're gonna hit it with the dry rub
Yep. In coriander and peppercorns.
and go to the smoker.
Smoked for about 8 hours, as low as we can go.
No one slow to the dough.
And then we steam it for about 6 hours. That looks good to me.
All right, now we're gonna make the hash.
Start with some schmaltz.
Just straight up chicken fat.
Potatoes. We're adding our diced pastrami. Salting the potatoes. A little fresh pepper.
Nice golden brown.
Peppers. Caramelized onions. A little cabbage. Now we're gonna mix it up.
That's happy hash right there, dude.
A couple eggs in there. Some parsley. All right. Our smoked hash.
Dude, the pastrami, it's the extra bark on the outside, that smoke. The added piece of the cabbage, just totally key. Caramelized onion's really nice. Love the red bell pepper. You need that color in there.
Nice and tender. It's unbelievable.
Lemon icebox pie.
The pie is exceptional.
Icebox means it's kept cold.
Right.
Okay, but it gets baked.
Yes.
Crust
So we're
first?
gonna do the crust first. A couple of handfuls of graham cracker crumbs, liquid margarine. We're gonna mix this together, put it in the oven, 20 minutes.
Let it crunch up. All right,
Okay.
so now we make the custard.
Eggs. We only use the yolk.
4 yolks.
5. Now,
Wow, look at that bowl.
yeah.
AD.
It came with the other set. Sweetened condensed milk.
Your dad's recipe also?
Yes.
This man had it going on.
He did. Lemons.
On guard. Sorry. How many?
8. Squeeze them by hand.
I'm going to hammer you down like that. Sometimes I don't even know my own strength.
You still have 1 lemon left. You've been playing around and I've been working. You're not gonna win.
That's a lot of mixture for one pie.
It is, but it'll tighten up.
It's gonna fit?
It will fit
Looks like you've done this before.
a few times.
And now we're gonna hit it with what?
Little vanilla wafers. Just gently push them down in.
Nice, now we bake it?
20 minutes.
Then you let it cool down. Now we hit it with a little...
Cream topping.
It's a lot of pie, it's heavy. Ooh, I like that. A little crunch on top. You know, it'd be nice there's a little lemon zest. But, you know, different day, of course.
With a piece that big, I'm gonna have to push the Camaro to my next diner. I like graham cracker on the bottom. That has got to be so refreshing on a hot day. It's not overly sweet.
No.
Good little amount of citrus.
Just
It's
enough
nice and
tart
cool.
to kind of
It does a little bit. It lets you know it's there.
little pucker.
You would like this.
Pie was delicious.
There's a lot of love went into that pie.
The fried chicken is perfect from the crust all the way through to the bone.
Now we're gonna put some south in the mouth.
Going to the south.
What are we putting with it?
Sweet potato apple chutney.
Let's make it happen.
Start with some butter, Granny Smith apples, lemon juice, fingerling sweet potatoes. You're gonna let all this goodness just simmer down together.
Now simmer down. Now.
Simmer it down. Brown sugar,
Little cinnamon in it.
little clove, little ginger, red peppers, little apple cider,
In the piece de resistance, a little golden raisins.
raisins.
And
ginger-infused bourbon.
ginger-infused bourbon.
It's bird time. Seasoning salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and a little black pepper.
And how long is it gonna hang out?
24 hours. Dredge it in flour and house seasoning.
And then right from the judge to the cast iron?
Yep.
Hit it, don't babysit it.
Now we're ready to assemble our collard green roll. Oil, garlic, cloves, onion.
Peppers and onions galore.
We're gonna mix the greens. Turn up,
Turn it up.
mustard, collard, water, jalapenos. And then we've got celery salt, red pepper flakes, little paprika. Let that baby just simmer for about 2-3 hours.
All right, sister, let me see it.
All right, blanched collard greens. We'll try to get the big ones. Got a cooked green.
Fold it up and get it done. Then these are gonna sit there and steam a little bit.
These are gonna sit there.
Get a little more tender.
Yep. Now we're ready to plate the southern marinated fried chicken. First, we got some mac and cheese, the collard green roll, sweet potato apple chutney, got our breast, thigh on the side, and the leg on the other side. And then guess what?
Come on now.
Collard green jus, the pot liquor.
There you go. The chutney's dynamite. Love that little golden raisin texture at the end. Congratulations for wrecking collard greens for the rest of my life. That's mean.
It's nasty. That's what it is.
Oh,
Yeah.
I want to order 100 of these. That just good, old-fashioned, honest fried chicken. Skin's nice and crispy, holds a good crust. I understand more now why it's Twisted Soul, because there's already a band called Twisted Sister. And that's what you are. You are one Twisted Sister.
Thank you.
Well done.
Southern marinated fried chicken. The chicken is juicy but crispy. The collard green roll has a little bite to it. It's a different twist, but it's wonderful.
Meatball burger, let's pick it up.
Great meatball flavor. You can barely get your mouth around it, but it's really good.
All right, what are we into?
A marinara for our meatball burger.
Marinara?
Marinara.
Go make some marinara.
We're gonna dump in our diced onions, diced red bell peppers, and our chopped garlic. And we use a healthy bit of garlic.
Okay.
Our red chili flakes. Then we sweated down our onions. We're gonna put our paprika in, salt, a little bit of sugar. This is my time.
Okay.
Margarine, parsley, fresh concassate tomatoes.
Don't say what?
Just a little bit of water.
How long is this gonna cook?
About 10 minutes.
So you hit the immersion blender into it, then drop the basil in, and then hit it just a little bit to break the basil up.
Yep.
Now we're into the meatball burger.
Meatball burger.
Okay.
So we make croutons, and then we grind it up.
How's a good tasty crouton?
And then diced onions.
You're not gonna brown those off or anything? Going in raw?
Nope, raw. Fresh garlic.
That's going in raw too.
Raw, a little bit of cumin, a little bit of black pepper, fresh thyme, oregano. And this is kind of the secret, I think, the chili powder.
And a little bit of salt.
Now we're gonna add some fresh eggs.
Beautiful. Flat top?
Flat top.
Is it one patty?
This one's 3.
3 patties? You know, it is swimsuit season.
That's right. We put on the provolone cheese, caramelized onions, the wonderful mushrooms, house-made marinara sauce, and then our house-made pickles, toast our hand-cut fries. There you go.
Holy moly. Look at that. Love the sauteed mushrooms. Nice little kiss of the marinara. That right there is screaming Italian family Sunday dinner. That's ridiculously big.
The sandwiches are like complete meals. It's got some southern kick to it, and it makes it totally awesome.